Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss the fractions part 3. So we discussed the fractions introduction class and we discussed we practiced the two sessions, part 1 and part 2. Those who are new to this class, okay, they have to go to the playlist and check the playlist and you will be get the all the information and you will get an idea how to solve the fractions and how to do the decimals. So we have discussed a lot. So today I'm going to discuss the word problems. In your final exam. Definitely will give one word problem from fractions or decimals. So I'll clear all the concepts and we'll discuss the previous year questions also. So today I'll clear you how to solve the word problems and how you have to tackle with them and how to understand the problem. So I will tell you in simple way and simple tricks. Got it? So let's start the question. So today's first question is what here? Akbar gave, see, first question, Akbar gave one third of his savings to his wife and two-fifth to his son, right? So Akbar's total saving was what? 24,000. Find the balance amount left with Akbar. Means what is telling? See, there is a person whose name is Akbar and his total saving is how much here? 24,000. So per month, his saving is how much? 24,000. But in that saving, he is giving one third to his whom wife, one third to his wife, and two-fifth to his son. When what is asking, find the amount left. So here one trick is what? See, amount left means you have to do what? Subtraction. Got it? Amount left. Left means what? See, and I'll clear you in simple way that you went to a shop, you have 100 rupees, you bought 20 rupees for one biscuit packet at 20 rupees, another 10 rupees you bought chocolate. So how much you left? Then what how much you left means what you have to do? So first you have to add what you bought. See, spending means what? 20 plus 10, how much? 30. So 30, this is the spending, and you have to subtract from what? Total. Total how much you have initially? 100 rupees. So 100 minus 30, how much? 70. So like this. This is the way you have to understand the question, right? Now, now see the question here. So now, according to this, what we have to do? First, add the how much he given to others, means his wife and his son. So how much he is given in fraction, not in money, no. So here, first, the total money is how much? Total is equal to how much? 24,000 savings, right? And wife, how much he given to his wife? 1 by 3, right? Plus, and how much he given to his son? 2 by 5, right? Then now tell me the LCM. See, 3 and 5. You can do the cross multiplication. Then 5, butterfly method. 5 plus 6 upon 15. So, what is the value? 11 by 15. So, total here 11 by 15 means what? Here 15 parts is in introduction class. What I told you that, see, in while you are doing the fraction, the denominator is always total or whole part. The numerator is part of the fraction, part of the whole. Means numerator is part of the whole and denominator is total, right? So here total means how much? 24,000, right? And here total means which part here? 15, right? So spending part is how much? 11. Got it? No. Remaining means what you have to do? 15 minus 11, how much? We have to find out the amount left, right? So what is the remaining here? Remaining means nothing but 1 minus 15 upon 11. Or, sorry, not 15 upon 11. Or you can do here, see. Left means what? 15. Total minus spending upon total. How much? 15 minus 11, how much? 4. 4 by 15. So this is the part of the, this is the fraction he left with, fraction he left to his money out of the given from his what, his wife and his son. Then what you have to do here? See, total how much? 24,000. You have to find out the amount left, no? So we find out the fraction what left. 4 by 15 into 4 by 15. So what is the answer? 3 5s are 3, 8,000s are, right? Now 5 ones are 5, 5 16s are 80, 1600. Then 16 fours are how much? 64. So after giving wife and son, how much he left? 6,400 rupees. So which option? Option C is the right answer. 6,400 is left to his with his after giving his son and wife. Got it? I hope you understood. First, total to the 24,000 he has saving, and he given 1 by 30 to his wife and 2 by 50 to his son. Got it? Then if you have to find out the left amount, then what you have to do? First, how much he given to the son and wife, you have to add those, and you have to you get one fraction, right? Then what you have to do? You have to find out the left. Left means what? You can do here 15 minus 11 by 15 means, or this can be written as, you can total in fraction, total means 1, right? So 1 minus 11 by 15 you can do also. Then you'll get 15 minus 11 by 15. Then left fraction is how much? 4 by 15. Then directly multiply 4 by 15 into 24,000 means you'll get the answer. Got it? Next. So how much he left after giving them? So 64,000. And he will ask how much he given to them. Total means what? See, you can he will ask like that, like this also. Not left here. How much amount he given to his, find out the amount he given to his wife and his son means what you have to do? Directly you have to multiply. You have to find out the 11 parts here. So this can be done in another way also. See here, we got what is the fraction? 11 by 15, right? So we want to find out the, this is the total fraction he given to his wife and son, right? If we ask what is the amount he given to them means what? Total amount he given. This is the 11 parts. This is the part he has given to his wife and son, right? And this is the total, right? This is the total savings. Total saving. Because in fraction, denominator is always total saving, right? Then you have to do the cross multiplication. 15 parts is equal to 24,000, right? Now, wife and son, after giving wife and son, how much left from 15? See, 11 parts, from total 15 parts, he given 11 parts. So, how much left means how much? 15 minus 11, 4 parts. So, 4 parts value is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. Then, 4 by 15 into 24,000. Then, 15 ones are 15, 600. 1600. Then, what do we get? 16 fours are 6400. I hope you understood. So this is the easy method. How you will get? If you understand this, then you will get the answer easily. Got it? Next, second question. Rocky bought 8 1 by 3 meters. Rocky bought 8 1 by 3 meters of cloth at the rate of 9 per meter, right? So how much money would Rocky have to pay? Then what is asking? See, Rocky went to a cloth store and he bought 8 1 by 3 meters of cloth. And per 1 meter, the shopkeeper charged how much? 9 rupees. 9 rupees per meter. Here, 9 rupees per meter. Per means what here? 1 meter, right? Per means 1. Each or per means 1. So you have to understand carefully here. Per means what? Each or 1. So 9 rupees per meter. Then what? See how many total, how many meters are there here? This is the total, right? 8 1 by 3 is the total. So total. Now he given in mixed fraction. 8 1 upon 3. So convert into improper fraction. 3 8 is a 24. 24 plus 1 25. So 25 by 3 is the total meters, right? Then here per 1 meter, how much he charged the shopkeeper? 9 rupees. So 1 meter cost 9 rupees, right? Then how much meter? How many meters he bought? 25 by 3 meters. 25 by 3 meters cost how much? Then cross multiplication. 25 by 3 into 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So total how much he has to pay to the shopkeeper? 25 threes are how much? 75 rupees. I hope you understood. Got it? Like this, you have to solve the question. Next question. right? Now, which of the following is the smallest fraction? So among this, we have to find out which is the smallest fraction. So this type of question we have solved, right? Now, which of the following is the smallest fraction? Means what? See, we given four options. You have to find out the smallest fraction. Now, all are in what? Proper fraction, because all denominators are greater than numerator. These are all proper fraction, right? Now, what is the best way? I told you that you have to convert into decimal. So 1 by 10 is nothing but what here? 0.1. Here 2 by 15 is nothing but 0.1. 1 means 5, 0.13, right? Next, here 3 by 8 is nothing but 30. 30 means 8 to the 16, 8 3 the 24. So 0.3, right? Here 4 by 9 is nothing but 40. 40 by 9 means what? 0.4. 9 fours are 36. So among these, see, compare the decimals here, all zeros. Now here 1, 1, 3, 4. So these two are eliminated because 3 is greater, 3 and 4 are greater than 1. Then here 1 is equal. Here 3 after decimal there will be two digits. Here after decimal only one digit. So you have to equalize decimal means you have to keep 0. 0.10 is nothing but 0.1 only. So because 0 has no value after the decimal, right? No. 0 1 is same. Then go for the second digit 0 and 3. Among this, which is the smallest? 0 is the smallest. So which option is right answer? 1 by 10 is the smallest among all these options. Got it? Like this you have to solve. Next question. Next, which fraction should be added to the sum of 5 3 by 4 and 4 5 by 4 by 5 and 7 3 by 8 to make the result a whole number. Whole number means what? See, the result you will get is a constant number, not in fraction or not in decimal, right? You have to get the perfect number. Perfect number means whole number starts from 0 to infinity. So you have to get the numbers between 0 to infinity only, not in fraction or not in decimal. This is the concept he is asking you. You have to get the whole number, right? Now, what is asking here? What fraction should be added to the sum of these three numbers? Which fraction should be added to the sum of this number to get whole number, right? Now first take this fraction 5 3 by 4 sum 4 4 upon 5 plus 7 3 by 8, right? For see, you have to add one fraction now. So I don't know the fraction. So I'm taking what? X, right? Right. See, here 4 5s are how much? 20. 23 by 4 plus 5 4s are 20. 24 by 5 plus 8 7s are 56. 59 by 8. Here, what is the LCM here? What is the LCM? 4 5 8. So 4 is the factor of 8. Then what is the LCM? LCM is 40. Right? LCM is 40. You can do the LCM here if you don't know. 4, 5, 8. So take two table, 2 2 is a 4, 5 will not go, then write down 5 as it is, 2 4 is a 8, then again 2 table, 2 1 is a 5 is a 2 is a, then 2 2 is a 4, 4 5 is a 20, 22 is a 40, LCM is 40. Then here in 4 table, 40 goes 10 times, then 230 plus 5 8 is a 40. 8 into 24 how much? 8 to 8 20 is a 160. 8 4 is a 32. 192 plus. Here in 5 table. In 8 table 40 goes 5 times. So multiply the same number with the numerator. So 550 is a 250. 250 plus 5 nines are 45. Means 295. Right? Here 295, 192, 230. 5 plus 2 7, 9 9 18. 21 to 5, 7. So we got what? 717. So 717 by 40, right? Here we got 717 by 40, but we have to make it whole number. Here, see, here for 40 can be written as how much? 4 into 10, right? So you know the divisibility condition. 40 can be written as 4 into 10, right? So you know the divisibility condition of 4 and 10. Then to divide with the 10, what we have to get? And unit digit is 0 means it will completely divide with 10. Here 4 means what? The last two digits divide should be divisible by 4, or last two digits should be 0. Then here, see, we in numerator we got 717, right? So in 717, what should be added to this numerator? Then we'll get divisible by 4, and there should be 0 to the unit digit because it's also divisible by 10. Here, see, according to the option here, if you add, denominator is same 40, so no need to check the denominator. Here 1, 717 plus 1, how much? 718. So 718 may be divisible by 4. 18 is not divisible by 4, so it is not. Option A is eliminated. Then option B, 717 plus 2, how much? 719. So 719 is a odd number, so it's not divisible by 4 and 10. So option B is also eliminated. Here C, option C, 3 by 40. So 40 is common, LCM is 40. So 717 plus 3, how much? 7, 720. So 20 is divisible by 4, as well as unit digit is 0, then it is also divisible by 10. So if you add plus 3 by 40, LCM is how much? 40, right? So 717 plus 3, 720, right? So 720 is, if you 4 ones are 4 zeros are 4 ones are 4 18s are. So what we finally we left? 18. So 18 is a whole number or not? Yes, it is a perfect whole number, right? Then we got what? Which fraction is added to this sum of this fraction? What is the x value we got here? 18. So which option? 3 by 40 is the right answer. Like this you have to solve. Got it? Nothing. First add these fractions and check the options. Then you will get the answer. Because check the options, then you have to analyze that the denominator is same 40, right? So like fraction, then you have to add the numerator. When what you have to do here, denominator 40 means what? 4 into 10. So you have to check the divisibility condition 4 and 10. That should be perfectly divisible by numerator. Which number you are adding to the numerator, then the result will be perfectly divisible by 40. Then we will get the what? Whole number, right? Next question. Here, in a class of 30 students, the number of girls is one-fifth of the number of boys. How many boys are there in the class? So, in a class, how many students are there? 30 students are there. In that, number of girls is how much? One-fifth of the number of boys. Here, see, this is the question related to one quantity is depends on another quantity, or one body is dependent on another body, right? Means what? One result is dependent on another result. Means what here? See, number of girls is always dependent on what? Number of the boys. Got it? Then total how many students are there? Total is equal to 30 students. In that, in total, who are there? Girls and boys, right? Here, see, girls, number of girls is one-fifth of the number of boys. Means what? Girls is equal to one-fifth of, means what? Into boys. Then what we bring these boys to this side? Then it boys is in multiplication form. If it will bring in LHS, then what will become? Division form. Then girls boys is equal to how much? 1 by 5. When from this what he concluded, see, girls part is 1, in total class girls part is 1, boys part is 5. Total how many parts? Means 1 plus 5, how many? 6 parts. 6 parts is means what? Total. So total 6 parts. 6 parts is equal to how much? 30. Because see, here girls part is 1, boys part is 5. Total means what? Girls plus boys, no? So here, if you know the, if you got confusion, total means what here? Total is equal. ఇంకా అయిపోయినట్టుంది కదా. What is of this? Now it's fine. Total is equal to girls plus boys. So what is girls part? Total is equal to girls part is how much? 1 plus boys part is equal to 5. So total how many parts? 6 parts. So 6 parts is equal to how much? 30. Then what is asking? Find the number. How many boys are there in his class? So how many boys means boys part is how much? 5 parts. Then directly 6 parts is equal to 30. Then boys part is how much? 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. 5 by 6 into 30. Then 6 1 ja, 6 5 ja. Then what will get? 25. So how many boys are there? 25 boys. Then how many girls are there? 30 minus 25, how much? 5 girls. So boys are 25 and girls are 5. Got it? Like this. Next question. Here, the product of two numbers is 5 by 4. If one number is 5 by 6, what is the other number? See, what is telling product of two numbers? Here, I'll zoom it now. Then it is easy to see the question, right? Clearly, it will be visible now. The product of two numbers is how much? 5 by 4. One number is 5 by 6. What is the other number? Product means direct, nothing but. There are two numbers. Let's think A, comma B are two numbers. The product means what? A into B. Here, what is the product of two numbers? What is the product of these two numbers? 5 by 4. In this, what is given? One number is 5 by 6. You can take A is equal to 5 by 6 or B is equal to 5 by 6. Anything. If you take B is equal to 5 by 6 means you have to find out the A value. Or if you will take A is equal to 5 by 6 means you have to find out the B value like this. Alternative depends on your choice. Then what I'm taking A is equal to 5 by 6 and I'm going to find out the B value because I'm taking another number as B. One number is 5 by 6, another number is B. Then what? Substitute in this equation now. So A into B is equal to 5 by what is the value? Total 5 by 4. Here means 5 by 6 into B is equal to 5 by 4. Then what we'll get here? Bring this 5 by 6 to RHS. Then it will become what? It is in multiplication form. It will become this. If it will come to RHS, it will become in division form. Then what will become? B is equal to 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. So in introduction class, I told you that A by B divided by B by C means always first fraction will be written in same, second fraction will be reciprocal. That is happens in only in denominator. Sorry, in division form, right? So B is equal to 5 by 4 into 6 by 5. Reciprocal method, right? Now 5 get cancelled, 4 2 2s are 2 3s are. Then what is the value of B? 3 by 2. So this is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Got it? Now, next. He will ask not only product of two numbers, he will ask the sum of two numbers means instead of multiplication, you have to do the addition. Right, like this. If you will ask difference means you have to change the sign. Difference means you have to do the change the sign minus. If you ask addition means sum means you have to change the sign plus. And same method. Next. Mohanlal gave 1 by 4th part of his total money to his son, and 1 by 3rd part to his wife, and 1 by 8th part to his daughter. Then the remaining part of his money is what? So what is telling? Mohanlal gave 1 by 4th part of total money to his son, then 1 by 3rd total part to his wife, and 1 by 8th part to his daughter. Then remaining part of the money is what? Nothing. Then first add all this part what he has given. See, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8, right? Add all these values, then what is the LCM here? So LCM is 24, right? When in 4 table 24 goes 6 times. So 1 into 6, 6 plus 3 into 8, 8 means 8 plus 8 into 3, 3 means 3. Then what will get here? 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So 17 by 24. So here, this is the result we got. Here, what I told in before problem here, tell me. Here, this is in fraction, denominator is always whole total part now. So this is the part he has what? This is the part he has what? Total, right? In that, the 17 parts given to whom? Son, wife, and daughter. Son, wife, and daughter, right? Then remaining after giving in 24 parts, he give if he subtract in 24 parts, he given 17 parts to others, then how much he left? 24 minus 17, how much? 7. So how much he left? 7. So he is asking in fraction means 7 by 24. So in total 24 parts, he left how much? 7 by 24. So which option? Option A is the right answer. Got it? Like this, you have to analyze and solve the question. Right? Next question. The product of two numbers is 5 by 4. Same question. This question we have solved before. This is the repeated question. So repeated, right? Or you can, I will solve this question. See, the product of two numbers is 5 by 4. One number is 5 by 6. What is the other number? You know how to do this one. So A into 5 by 4 is equal to 5 by 6. These two are numbers. So one number is 5 by 4. We have to find out the A value. Then bring 5 by 4 to RHS. Then 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 4. Here, A is equal to how much? The A by B divided by B by C. What I told you, first fraction is remains same when you are dividing the fraction. Then write down first fraction same as it is into. Second fraction will be reciprocal. So 4 by 5. Then 5 5 get cancelled. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Then what we left here? 2 by 3. So what is the other number? 2 by 3. Which option? Option D. Got it? Next question. A piece of wire, a piece of wire is 3 by 4 meters long, broke into two pieces. One piece is 5 by 8 meter long, then other is what? The length of the longer wire is what? Ah, here given, see, this is the wire. Let's assume this is the wire, right? This is the wire. Total length is how much? 2 3 by 4 means what? This is the total length. Total length how much? 2 3 by 4. Nothing but 4 is the 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 meters. So this is the total length of the wire, right? Now, what is telling one piece is 5 by 8 meters longer than the other, right? Then what? I'm taking two pieces. I'm breaking into two pieces, right? So I'm taking here is one piece. I'm giving A, another piece is B, right? So what is telling? See, longer piece is see here. See, this is the shorter than the other, no? That's because he is telling that one piece is 5 by 8 meters longer than the other, right? Longer than the other means one piece is longer than other. Means I am taking B. Taking B is the longer piece. You can take, you can change your wish, right? You can make longer piece as A here, and you can, if you draw line here, you can make longer piece as A, and you can make longer shorter piece as B. Your wish depends on your problem, right? Your assumption. So I'm assuming that longer B is the other piece, longer piece, and A is the shorter piece. No, what according to this statement? What is telling? One piece is 5 by 8 meters longer than the other. So one piece is 5 by 8 meters longer than means plus. Other means which piece? A. Understood? Then bring this A to this side. Actually, this is in capital letter also. So we have to write this is also in capital letter. So B minus A is equal to 5 by 8, right? Because plus A comes to RHS, LHS means we will get minus A. Then B minus A is equal to 5 by 8. Then the length of the longer wire is how much? So no need to do this. So I'll tell you in simple way. It is it's too lengthy. So I'll tell you in simple way. See here A plus B is equal to how much? If we add A plus B is equal to total or not? So how much meters? 11 by 4 meters. Right? Here, if you take A is equal to shorter piece, B is equal to longer piece, no? So we got here B is equal to how much? B is equal to 5 by 8 plus A or not? Right? B is equal to 5 by 8 plus A. I showed you now. Then here substitute B is equal to 5 by 8 plus A. So instead of B, you have to write down that value. So A is A plus 5 by 8 plus A is equal to how much? 11 by 4. Here A plus A 2A. So 2A plus 5 by 8 is equal to 11 by 4. Now bring this 5 by 8 to RHS. Then what we'll get? We'll get the A value. A is equal to how much? 11 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Then what is the LCM? LCM is 8. Then here 2A, no, not A. So here 2A. Sorry. So 8. 8 in 4 table 8 goes how many times? 2 times. So 11 into 2, 22 minus here 8. 8 table 8 goes 1 time. So multiply same number with numerator. 5 into 1, 5. Then what is the value we got? 2A is equal to how much? 22 minus 5, 17 by 8. So we got 2A is equal to 17 by 8, but this is not the answer, right? Then 2A is equal to 17 by 8, right? So 2A is equal to 17 by 8. Now we want find out the A value. A is equal to 17 by 8 into 2. Bring this to this side. Got it? Because multiplication when it comes to RHS, it is in divisible form. Then what is the value of A? A is equal to 17 by 16. So this is the A value. But longer length is which one? B value. Then what you have to do? So 17 by 6 meters. So what is the answer here? Longer length of the value is what? 17 by 16. 17 by 16, right? Oh. So which answer? Option B is the right answer. 16, 1 by this mixed fraction. Convert into this mixed fraction. 17 by 16. See, 16 ones are 16, 1 carry 16. See, 16 1 by 16, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 by 16 converted into mixed fraction. So which option? 1 by 16 is the right answer. Got it? Nothing. You have to convert same into A or B terms and then subtract from 5 by 8 this total fraction, then you will get the answer. Then you have to find out the A value or B value, you can get the answer. So 1 by 16 is the right answer. Next, last question. One fourth of birds of a flock are at a river bank, and one fifth of that flock are in their nest. Remaining 22 birds are wandering in search of food. What is the number of birds which are in the nest? Now, what is telling? One fourth of birds of a flock. Flock means groups. See, flock means total groups. Flock means total. So birds will fly total, So groups fly. So in that, this is the flock. So one fourth of a birds on the total, one fourth, one fourth are at what? A river. Next, one fifth at what? Nest. Next, remaining 22 birds are at what? Wandering in search of food. 22 in search of food, right? Now, what is asking? What is the number of birds which are in the nest? So you have to find out the what is the 1 by 5th value. Got it? You have to find out what is 1 by 5 value. Then how you will find out? Hmm? See, in fraction we know that total. Total is equal to how much? 1. So first add this fraction 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. How much? See, no, butterfly method. 5 into 1, 5. 4 into plus 4 into 1, 4. By 5 fours are 20. What we got? 5 plus 4, 9. 9 by 20. So 9 by 20 plus 9 by 20. Then here what will say? 9 by, wait, here see. Okay, I'll tell you in simple way. I'm taking total is equal to x birds. Total number of birds is equal to x. In that, total number of birds is equal to x. In that, see, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 are what? At a river bank. Minus 1 by 5 are at what? Nest. From this, the remaining is equal to how much? Remaining how many birds are there? 22 birds. Right? See, total minus these birds, some are in what? Some are in river bank and some one fifth are in what? Their nest. So after this nest, so remaining birds are at what? Remaining how many birds are there? 22 birds are searching for what? Food. Then what will get? X minus 1 by 4. Here what is the LCM? 20. Here 5 minus, actually here minus. So minus into minus how much? Plus. Right? Is equal to 22. Now here see 5 plus 4 9. So x minus 9 by 20 is equal to 22. Then what will get? Here 20x, or you can take not only x, here total birds we are taking 1, no, in fraction total is equal to 1. So then you have to take here 1 also if you are wish. Here one part total is equal to 1 part, right? So I'm taking total as one part in fraction. So I'm taking 1 minus 1 by 4. Then what we left here? 1 minus 9 by 20 is equal to 22. Then here 20 minus 9 how much? 11 by 22. 20 minus 9 by 20 is equal to how much? 22. Then what will get? 20 minus 9? 11. 11 by 20 is equal to 22. So here if you observe clearly, 22 by 1, 22 can be written as 22 by 1 or not? Yes or no? Here 11 by 20 we got the answer. This can be is equal to 22 or not? So 22 can be written as 22 by 1 or not? Is there any problem? No. Right? because any number has the denominator 1 means we cannot write read as 22 by 1 here. This can be written as 22, right? So here 11 parts is what? Remaining parts. Remaining 22 birds part is what? 11 parts, right? Remaining here 22 birds part is how much? 11. So 11 parts is equal to 22. What is the number of birds which are in the nest? Nest means what? Here first you have to find out the total parts. Total parts is how much? 11 parts is equal to 22. Then 20 parts is equal to how much? I am finding the total. Then cross multiplication. Then what will get? 20 upon 11 into 22. 11 ones are 11 twos are. Then what will get? 40. So these are the total birds. In that, what you have to find? What is the number of birds which are in the nest? So what is the fraction of the nest who are birds which are in the nest? 1/5. So directly multiply with 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5 eights are. So how many birds are in the nest? 8 birds are there in the nest. 8 birds. So what is the answer? Option D is the right answer. Got it? 8 birds are in the nest. Understood? Okay. So this is the last question, and we completed. So these are the word problems he will give, and we'll discuss the other word problems also in the next session, and we'll discuss the previous year questions. So I hope you understood, and then we'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye.